everybody, welcome back to another Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today we're going over installing an ash slip on our Nova Series wood stove. Now that we have our Nova wood stove on its back, we would just like to highlight the components necessary for installing the ash slip. Here we have our 4 cast iron legs, 2 cast iron shims which are used on the rear legs to offset the gap that is created when we put the ash slip on the front legs. We also have our 4 bolts for installing the legs and the ash slip itself. Our first step will be installing the rear leg with the cast iron shims. For our next step, we're going to install the front legs with the ash slip itself sandwiched in between the leg kit and the firebox. Now that we've installed all 4 legs and the ash slip, we're going to go behind ourselves, making sure that everything is tight, followed by standing the stove upright. If installing in the 6-inch setting as we did here today, one final step would be taking these filler pieces, placing them in this empty hole, notice right here in the front. Now, if you did choose the 4-inch option, this will not be necessary. We hope you found this helpful and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.